What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Toad from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that oval, come down towards the same height, and back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top of each eye. Going all the way around, back up. And we'll fill the bottom of each eye in black, going around that highlight. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting directly underneath the left eye, curve this down, and then up. Now we're going to add a bracket on the corners of the mouth going the opposite direction, coming down and out. Let's go back over towards the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up. Let's add a curve across the center of the mouth for the tongue, going up and then down. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's move up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the hat. We start over on the left side, just going to curve this up above the eyes, go across, and then down. Now you want to tuck the head in underneath this fold. So on the left side, let's step up, curve this down, round out the head coming underneath the mouth, go across, and then bring that up on the right side. Now we're going to draw a large circle tucked in along the side of the head. So let's start over on the left. Just going to work our way all the way around the left side, go up and then in toward the center. Let's round up the head, come down the right side. Now we're just going to bend that back in on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw a large circle on the top center of the head. Let's start right in the middle, just underneath. All the way around towards the bottom and back up towards the top. And I'll draw two half circles along the side. Let's start over on the left, come in, and we'll bend that back out. Let's line this up over on the right, coming in and then out. Now let's move down and draw the inside edge of the vest. You need a gap in the center. Let's go over toward the left, bend this out, and then down, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's draw a straight line going across the bottom of the vest. Now I want to taper this back up underneath the head. So we'll go up and just bend that in. Let's add a trim along the inside and bottom. So from the top, we'll step out, just following that same curve coming down, and go straight out towards the side. Now in between the vest, let's draw a curve going up and then down. Now we tuck the lower half of the body underneath the vest. From the corners, we'll step in, just going to bend this down, across the middle, and then back up. And then we'll tuck the feet in underneath the body. You need a gap in the center. Let's step over toward the left, come down, round up the foot, and then pull that up towards the outside. Let's take this and flip it over on the right. So we step over, curve around, down, and then up. Let's round out the foot, come up, and just tuck that in towards the side of the body. Now from here, we're going to move back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start from the top of the body and move up and out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curve the thumb going up and then bring that back down. And then from the base of the thumb, curve the hand going out, round this out, and just pull that in towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curve the bottom of the arm, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Let's separate the fingers with 2 straight lines. One along the bottom, coming in, move up, and draw that again. Now we're going to add the edge of the palm along the base of the thumb. Curve this around and in. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Toad from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.